Hi, I'm Andrea Jaime. I'm an ethical hacker. That means I hack only with authorization. And with my friends, we created this company. We offer security services and we developed a security scanner. This scanner is the best in the market. We compare with the other competitors and we have better results. It's easy to use in many languages and give you a lot of results of all vulnerabilities in your server, web or infrastructure. We already have big clients, even if we are a little new company. We are a startup, we just started, but we have agreements with governments in North Africa, Africa and Middle East. We already have contracts for $500,000. We estimate to do 1–2 million this first year, 2016. So this video is for Y Combinator. We hope that you will accept us to help us in growing and make good business.